Hello viewers and welcome back to Cooking and DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to peel a pineapple without wasting much of this juicy fruit. Peeling a pineapple is a simple task. All you need is a sharp kitchen knife. The next task is to cut into the skin of the pineapple without going too deep and cutting up or down whichever you prefer, removing the skin. This pineapple was washed before I start peeling it, so all the skin will also be used to make a delicious drink. So please make sure that you subscribe to see that video when it's uploaded. I was finished peeling the pineapple, but as you can see there are small bits of skin still left on the pineapple, so I'm gonna duly remove these small bits. I'm now gonna remove the eyes of the pineapple. Look at how juicy this pineapple is, mouth-watering. This is now finished. I'm going to cut off the bottom of the pineapple. And I'm going to slice everything and place it into this bowl. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this video very helpful. If you love pineapple, please leave a comment to let me know what you think about this delicious tropical fruit. Also, leave a positive comment, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Goodbye.